everyone. The first baby welcome box is from Amazon.com and you will receive a box something like this in 4 to 6 weeks. The good thing about this box is you have some of the facts, how to bond with the baby, how to communicate with the baby. So how to get this box is, first you should be the Prime member. If you're not the Prime member, you can subscribe for 1 month trial pack of Prime membership. Second, you need to check each and every item in the checklist, whether you add that in the baby registry or buy or not, but just check each and every item in the checklist. Third thing is, you need to buy something for $10 excluding the taxes. So I bought Nature Made prenatals which were around $25, and after you complete all these 3 steps, you get a promotional rewards of $35. So whenever you're ordering this welcome baby box, in the payment you have to click the promotional rewards. So it seems like you're paying for this box, but those are just the promotional rewards you get from completing all these 3 steps. So this is all the samples you get from the Amazon baby registry box. The first sample I'm showing is the bottle from the Man company. So you can easily remove the base and the lid of the bottle. There is a pacifier sample inside the bottle. It has a marking on it. This is a 4-ounce bottle sample. The second bottle sample is from the Nuuk company or Nuuk. So this is a 5-ounce bottle. You have a labeling on the bottle, and I'm glad I have all these bottle samples so that I can try it on the baby, and I can then order the one which the baby likes. We have a Huggies special delivery wipes packet. There are 24 wipes in it. It is a good generous amount of wipes packet. We have a Dreft sample bag. This is the stage 1, that is the newborn. There are 2 stages. First is for the newborn and the second is for the active toddler. I might be using this to wash the baby clothes before the baby arrives. I will put some of the reviews of some of the products or samples I have used in the comment section afterwards. A sample pack of baby lotion. This is the oatmeal from Aveeno company. Then the diaper rash cream from the Aquaphor company. We have a sample pack of baby clothing from Carter's. This is 3 to 6 month baby outfit. Animal print, gender neutral. It's a good quality baby clothing. Then we have this pamphlet from the Amazon, how to create the baby registry and how to scan and add the items into it. Then the last product is from the Amazing Baby Swaddle Blanket, which can be used for multiple purpose. They have listed all the purpose here on the box. Plus even they have also listed 3 steps how to swaddle the baby. So this is 46 inches into 46 inches, and let me show you. Animal print. It's quite soft and it's quite big also. Here. This is a welcome baby box received from Walmart.com. It takes around 4 to 6 weeks to get to your home. You cannot track this box. So how to get the box is, go to Walmart.com, create an account using an email ID, create a baby registry. You don't have to buy anything unlike Amazon. Just copy the URL of the baby registry. Go to the Google page, just write on saying like Walmart free welcome baby box, and a page will be open. Copy that URL into it, your name and address along with the due date, and they'll provide you a confirmation, and then you have to wait for 4 to 6 weeks to receive this box. These are all the samples which I have received from this box. The first sample is Huggies special delivery diapers. There are 3 diapers for the newborn size. They have a beautiful print on it, so star clouds print. Then we have a sample pack of Zarbee's Sprite water, which can be used on the babies more than 2 weeks. It is 59 ml sample. This is the bottle, syringe, which has marking on it. Plus you have some coupons. If you buy this again, you will have like $2 to $5 off on that product. And every coupon does have expiry date. This is Palmer's Belly Lotion, which can be used by mommies. We have 3 samples of pacifier. First is BAM pacifier, which I received from Amazon registry box also. This is the Even Flow pacifier. And then we have a Tommy Titties pacifier, which has a beautiful print here. Then we have a sample bottle of baby wash and baby lotion from Johnson & Johnson company. Few oral pain relief and tiny cold tablet samples, and these are the cards I received from Walmart. you can write something today. Today I stood up, and every card has something here. Some of the product which you can scan. Then it has 1 month till 12-month cards, so you can take pics with it. Third baby welcome kit is from Target.com, and unlike Amazon.com and Walmart.com, you have to go to Target store to get this bag. How to get this bag is, first you have to go to Target.com, create an account using an email ID, create a baby registry. Once you create a baby registry, in that they'll give you a barcode. So whenever you visit a Target store, you have to show that barcode. They'll scan that barcode. Along with that, they'll also scan the barcode present in this bag, and they'll give you a receipt saying that you have received your baby welcome kit. Okay, these are the samples which I have received in Target baby welcome kit, and so far Target bag is the best one because we have so many samples to make choices. First we have Lensinoy breast pad samples and milk storage samples. These are the breast pads and the breast milk storage bags. There are 2 bags in it which have labelings, and you can easily store them if you're using the breast pump. And I'll tell you in the video how to get a breast pump from your insurance also. Then we have diapers for the newborns from the Honest company. There are 2 diapers and they have animal print on it. Just one concern for me is they don't have the yellow line which guide you like whether the diaper is dirty and you need to change it. So not sure how this will work. From the Honest company itself, we have wipes also. So there are 10 Honest wipes here. Similarly, we have the sample of Honest baby wash and Honest baby lotion. Plus you have a coupon of $1 off if you buy this. Then we have a water wipes, and there are around 10 wipes in it. Plus you have a coupon of $1 here if you buy it again. Then we have some samples of body wash and baby lotions. So we have Aveeno baby lotion, which I received from Amazon registry also. Then we have Cetaphil baby wash sample, Johnson baby wash sample, and then Dove baby wash sample, Aquaphor ointment for baby rashes, then Baby Organics moisturizing baby lotion. We have Palmer's belly lotion used by moms. Then 1 sample of Boogie wipes. Then we have a sample of pacifier from Man company. This is the one which I have received in Amazon box also, in Walmart box also, and also in Target box. These special delivery diapers which I received in Walmart box also. Then I have a sample of new bottle, that is anti-colic bottle from Dr. Brown, and this is 4-ounce bottle. Blue in color, labelings are here. Then we have from Pampers Swaddlers pad changing mat. We have few things here. So this is a good pad changing mat for a newborn. We have a sample of drip detergent, a sample of Pampers wipes, 6 in count, 1 Pampers diaper for newborn. Then we have this Pampers points reward. So how does this work? If you download the Pampers app on your cell phone, you can easily scan the code and you'll get 100 points. And if you buy something related to Pampers, then you can scan the code and you'll get again the points. And from the Pampers app, you can buy something like Shutterfly prints, and there are many other items which you can buy from these points. And there are more coupon books. And the last item is a little book of baby saving from Target. So now I was a little disappointed because all the coupons in this book are expired. They were expired in the month of April only, and I received all the welcome baby box in the month of June, like Amazon, Walmart, Target, everything. So I was a little disappointed with this. But my friend, she has received the new Target bag, and it doesn't have this book in it, and it has a pamphlet which just you scan the barcode on the pamphlet and you'll get all the coupons there. So I'll share the picture of that new Target welcome baby box, what it has. This is the welcome baby bag from Bye Bye Baby. And like Target, you have to go to the Bye Bye Baby store to get this bag. How to get this bag? Pretty easy. Go to the buybybaby.com, create an account using an email ID, create a baby registry. Once you create a baby registry, there will be a registry code, and whenever you visit a Bye Bye Baby store, you can show that registry code to them and they'll give you one of the bag. These are the Bye Bye Baby samples. So the first sample is from 7th generation. There are 5 diapers in it. Bye Bye Baby Baby on Board sticker, which can be applied on the car. Then we have Evan 4-ounce baby bottle. One sample of Boogie Wipes. We have 50 cents off whenever you buy Boogie Wipe anywhere. Palmer's Belly Lotion used by moms. Then 2 samples of baby rash creams from Aquaphor. 1 sample of Bamboo Nature Baby Wash. Then we have couple of coupons here. Now this they'll not provide, but if you ask, they'll provide the whole registry items, which makes it easy. Like whenever you're buying from Bye Bye Baby store, you can just tick them up. Okay, this is what you have bought, or scan. They'll also provide you a registry guide in here. So this is the diaper sample which I received from Earth Baby. All the links for all the registry box and details are present in the description. So the Earth Baby, how to get the diaper sample bag is just go to earthbaby.com. You don't have to create any account, just fill up your details like your name, address, and there are 2 brands for the choices. One is from the diaper and the other brand is Nature. Plus there are various sizes, so you can select any of the size, any of the brand, and then they'll send you these sample packs within like 2 weeks. So I selected diaper brand for size small here. So I have received 3 diapers. So these are the 3 diapers here. So the 2 brand is Diaper and Nurture brand. There are other baby welcome boxes. One is from the babylist.com. So how to get that boxes? Go to the babylist.com, create an account using an email ID, add 3 products from the different brands. That is from Amazon, Walmart, Target, Bye Bye Baby. Add 3 products from the baby list. After adding all these 6 products, you have to give $10 for the shipping charges. You can receive the box around 2 to 3 weeks. There is one more company, that is newbie.com. Newbie. So how to receive that Newbie box? Create an account, provide your details like address, and you have to pay around $9 for the shipping. So I never ordered those boxes because I will receive the same kind of samples. So instead of spending my $10 there, I spent my $10 on diaper company. So to get this whole big box of 36 diapers and 80 diapers wipe counts. How to get these boxes? You need to go to the diaper.com, create an account using your email ID. You have to buy a subscription. So you can easily cancel that subscription after receiving this box. So to get this box, you have to pay $10. The prices might have changed. When you receive this box, if you like the product and you can carry on with the subscription, after 2 weeks, they'll send you again the box of diapers for around $68, which will be automatically charged to your card. So remember, if you don't want to carry on with the subscription, don't forget to cancel it, so that you are not charged. So what I received in this box is, so the first is this whole template about diaper company and their product. I have a sample of diaper rash cream from the diaper company. Then you can select whether you want diapers or baby pull-up pants and of what size. So I have ordered medium size. There are newborn, small, medium and large size, I guess. So there are 36 in this count.